Hello friends, may you all be safe. An image of someone with pimples or spots on her skin. We will be able to fix this image with the help of an action. And in this one action, you will get 5 options. So, let's start the video. First, we will look at how the action is loaded. Go to Window, then click on Actions. So this will open an action window. Here you have to click on the box with these lines. And then click on Load Actions. I have this action saved somewhere here. And this Skin 5 action has to be loaded. After the action loads, you will see 5 options. Create a duplicate layer of this image by pressing Ctrl+J. First we will use Skin Airbrushing here. Skin Airbrushing creates a flawless, smooth, and lifted appearance on the skin. Play Skin Airbrushing here. A group will be formed here after the play. Click on Up, Stop here. Action has set its opacity to 50%. We will increase it to 100% here. And with the help of a brush, you will be able to smooth the skin. You can make the brush size as small or as large as you want. And what you will see is that the image's skin will become smoother. Take your time here and gently remove all those blemishes or spots. This will completely smooth out the image's skin. I'm working quickly here, just to show you, so that you can know that this action, which has 5 options. And so this is the before image, and this is the after image. Now we will play Brighten Eyes here. Brighten eyes by using this action to boost highlights with a mask to target only the irises. And then we make the brush size smaller than we want. Here too, we do 100% of the opacity. And paint on the eyes with the help of a brush. This is the before and after image after painting the eyes. And if there is redness on the skin of the image, so select the Redness Reducer and play it up. Redness Reducer removes unwanted red patches while preserving skin texture. And you can apply brush strokes to the entire image. This way the redness will be removed from the skin of the image. So, this is the before image, and this is the after image. Now we select and play with Clipping-Free Contrast. Clipping-Free Contrast uses soft light blending modes with clipped highlights and shadows. And now you apply brush strokes to the entire image. This will apply contrast to the image. You will be able to control this contrast with the opacity. 50% contrast suits this image. And now we finally play Mattifier. And, after clicking on the stop, you apply a brush stroke over the entire image. This will apply the Mattifier to the entire image. Main purpose of using Mattifiers is to reduce the shine on skin, appearance of the pores in the skin, and fuzzing any blemishes or imperfections. Here you can control Mattifier with the help of opacity. I'm setting the opacity here to 32%. And so this is the before and after image of this model. So the Mattifier happened here, and you also gave contrast to the image. And thus the redness was also removed from the image. And we brightened the eyes. and removed facial spots or blemishes with the help of airbrushing. So this is an action that has 5 options. And with the help of this action you can fix your image. And an ugly looking image will start to look beautiful. If you need this action, the download link is in the description. Download and use this action for free. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.